signs na may UTI ang alaga mong pusa. 1. Madalas pumunta sa litter box pero kaunti o wala namang ihi. 2. Umiihi sa labas ng litter box. Nangyayari ito kasi minsan ina-associate nila yung pain sa litter box. 3. Crying or may discomfort or visible pain during urination. 4. Strong smelling at may dugo or pinkish ang ihi. 5. Excessive leaking sa genital area. However, we often confuse these symptoms with other Flute D or feline lower urinary tract disease. Kapag hindi na makaihi si Muning, itakbo mo na sa veterinary clinic because UTI can cause blockage for male cats and can be fatal within 24 to 48 hours. Guys, kung mild pang symptoms, pwedeng makatulong itong Puenta urinary tract herbal gel. Pwede din ito ibigay as support during recovery. This is beneficial for cats na nagre-recover from urinary infection or blockages. Nakakatulong ito para mabilis ang healing ng urinary tract nila. Naglalaman ito ng 9 kinds of traditional Chinese herb plus vitamins and fish oil. Nagbibigay ito ng support sa kidney at bladder, nakakatulong sa pamamaga or inflammation, at may natural diuretic effect para mailabas ang ihi. Guys, just to be clear, ang Puenta urinary tract herbal gel is a supplement. It is designed for supportive care and not as a primary treatment. And for proper medical advice, it is always best to consult your vet.